Hey guys, welcome to this 360 video in this abandoned mine. These 360 videos are new to me, and for some reason I haven't figured out the audio, so you'll see me talking in this video, but I couldn't get the audio to come out, so that's why I'm doing this voiceover. But hopefully in the future I'll figure out the audio. Where you're looking now is which looks like a backfill in this mine, and then up to the right is this ore chute that is looks like it's probably a clogged ore chute. Above the ore chute is a giant stoped out area. Anyways, guys, take a look around, check it out. Leave me some comments if you like this kind of 360 footage. I try and set the camera up in certain areas that I think are interesting in the mines. If you like this, I'll do more 360 videos as well as the normal videos that I do.